Hello! Okay, so I created this look here using the new Smashbox and VLADA collaboration Petal Metal collection. That was a mouthful. If you want to see how I achieved this look using the products from this Petal Metal collection, then please keep watching. We're just gonna jump right in and start by priming our face. Okay, so the Smashbox VLADA, is that how you say it? VLADA? I don't know. That's how I'm gonna say it. But the rose gold, the Petal Metal collection comes with a primer. And this is a photo finish Petal Metal primer. This is what it looks like. And let's see. Oops. Drop the lid. So it is like a shimmery, so I don't know if you could see that, but it's kind of like a tinted, almost like shimmery, maybe gonna give me like a strobing effect type primer, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. I'm applying this with, oh yeah, it's definitely like a tinted illuminating primer. I'm just gonna put this all over my face using my fingers. Definitely gonna give me a glowy complexion and some color. Okay, nice. It's kind of like tacky, but I like that in a primer because I feel like my foundation sticks better. Okay, so now that I have this primer on my face, and by the way, it doesn't really smell like anything. It doesn't really smell like anything. But now that I have this primer on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation, concealer, bronzer, all that, and my eyebrows, and I will be right back. Okay, so I did my face, makeup, my eyebrows, and one eye off of camera. I'm going to show you how I got this look right now. Isn't it freaking... Oh, love it. Okay, so I'm using this palette from the Smashbox Petal Metal collection, and I'm going to start by taking, oh, it's kind of dirty. So I'm going to start by taking this shade right here. It is one of two matte shades. I'm taking this color on my Morphe E30 brush, and I'm just going to pack this on all over my lid. So I'm packing this color all over my lid and then using windshield wiper motions to kind of blend this out into my crease as well, and then I want to blow it out and up onto my brow bone area as well. So this will be our base slash transition shade. Okay, so after we've laid down that base, I'm going to take the other matte shade, which is a lot darker than the one I just used, and I'm going to take this on my Morphe M332 brush, and I'm going to use this to deepen the outer V of my eye. I'm going to start by stamping, literally just stamping this on to the spots that I want it to go, I guess. And then once I've done that, I'm going to just start using circular like motions to blend the product up and out. I'm going to keep this on the outer corner of my eye. I'm not going to be taking this all over the lid, just focusing this in the outer corner of my eye. By the way, I love Smashbox's eyeshadows. I think the formula is amazing and they're nice to work with. Okay, so I've deepened that outer corner with the darker matte shade, and now I'm going to cut my crease, just like a halfway cut crease, and I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and this little concealer brush, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've deepened that outer corner and I've cut my crease halfway using a little bit of Shape Tape Concealer and a concealer brush. Now I'm going to apply this shade right here, and using this tiny, it doesn't have a name, but this tiny little eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to pack this on. Ooh, it is so pretty. I'm going to pack this color on to the area that I applied that concealer. So this whole area that I cut out using that concealer, I'm going to place this shimmery pink shadow. And I'm being super cautious. I'm literally packing it on, and I'm being careful that I'm only placing it in the area that I want it to be. And to make it a little bit more, oh shit, I just dropped my palette. To make it a little bit more intense, I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray. I just want to make sure that this shadow really pops. Oh yeah, so pretty. All of these colors in this palette are so gorgeous. Okay, now that I've laid down that shimmery shade on the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to interchange between this medium-sized fluffy brush and this pencil brush, and using this dark shadow again, I'm just gonna like fine-tune my eye look. I'm gonna take the little pencil brush to kind of just blend the crease a bit, and then up here just to kind of get everything to blend and work seamlessly together. I'm gonna go back in with this fluffy brush and just kind of blend these two colors together so there's no harsh lines, so everything looks nice. Perfect. Looking good, looking good. So I'm kind of just going back and forth in my mirror, looking at both my eyes, making sure that everything is looking even. I'm such a freak when it comes to like my eyes being even. I remember in high school, even though my makeup wasn't very good in high school, I would ask my mom, I'd be like, which eye is darker? Tell me. Like, oh my god, I was such a freak, such a perfectionist about my eyes, like being almost perfect. And I still am. By the way, if you haven't seen my how I did my makeup in high school video, you need to watch it. I'll link it somewhere on this video, so make sure you click that and check it out because it's so funny, and I post a lot of photos of me from high school, and this was like 10 years ago. So if you want to see what I look like 10 years ago, then you need to check that out. It's hilarious and you'll laugh. Okay, so I'm just going in down here on my lid, on the outer corner of my lid. I'm just going to place a little bit more of that darker shadow just to kind of deepen it. I feel like it's a little bit darker on the other side, so I'm just making sure everything matches up, and I think we're looking good. Okay, now the fun part. So the Petal Metal collection came with 2 liquid liners. I will swatch them right now on my hand. One is this like metallic-y rose gold colored liner, and then the other one is a black liquid liner. Oh god, really? Oh well, that's how we're gonna swatch them. I'm like looking in the monitor right now, so it's really hard to like, you know, get it correct. Look at that swatch, is so horrible. I literally crossed over into the other one, but hold on. Let me show you what these look like. Okay, so there's a black liquid liner that has like rose gold glitter in it, and then there's like literally just a rose gold liquid liner. I'm going to be using the rose gold one today in my crease. Both of these are so beautiful, but I prefer the rose gold one better. So, okay, so I'm going to take, oh, this one is called 24 Karat Rose, by the way. And I'm going to take this and I'm just going to trace along this line, or trace along the area that I cut out, I guess. This color is seriously so pretty. And what I did on the other side was I also kind of painted it on the inner corner of my eye just to make that inner corner pop a lot, and because I was getting carried away and I really liked this color and I just wanted to like paint my whole eyelid with it. But we're focusing it mainly in the crease along that cut crease area, and I'm taking it a little bit into the brown shadow as well because I really love that contrast of the two colors together. Seriously, so pretty. And I did kind of like a thicker line up here just because I really love the way that it looked, and I just really want it to be visible. So you can kind of just paint that in there however you feel. You could do that line as thick or as thin as possible. I have hooded eyes, so I like my line to be a little bit thicker so it doesn't get like lost in my eyelid, you know? So yeah, you can kind of just like play with that, place it wherever you want it, use as much or as little as you want to. And then I went back in with my concealer brush to kind of just clean up the edges a little in the areas that I felt needed to be cleaned. Gorgeous, yeah, I really love how this turned out. It's just so pretty. These colors in this collection are just like so fun. Okay, and then once you get your crease how you want it, then we're all done. We can move on to the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with, I don't even know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush and this color that we use for the transition shade, and I'm going to place this along my lower lash line. So I'm also going to take that darker matte shade and this little pencil brush, and I'm going to line my lower lash line with that color as well. I just want to like really lightly smoke out this lower lash line using those two colors just so it blends in nicely with my eyelid. To highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to be using this shade right here and my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just going to apply this into my inner corner. It's kind of like an iridescent pink color, really pretty. I'm also going to place this underneath my brow to highlight my brow as well. Okay, great. So now that we're done with our eyes, I'm going to throw on some lashes and mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and popped on some lashes and some mascara. I am so loving this eye look. It's so pretty. I love all these shades and colors in this collection so much, but now it's time for a highlighter. Okay, so this collection came with 3 highlighters. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. Isn't this packaging so pretty? It's gorgeous. And it feels so like high quality because they're like heavy and they're awesome. So anyways, let me show you what they look like. So this is what wow, I can't even, it's so hard to hold 3 at once, but we're gonna do it. Okay, so like I said, there's 3 different, just bear with me guys. There's 3 different highlighters. There is this like gold, this is like a gold one. There's this gold highlighter. There is a rose gold highlighter. And then there is this iridescent rose gold one. So it's like a rose gold color with pink flections. So pretty. I think for the sake of my look today, I'm going to stick with the gold one, which is so boring. I know. I really want to use the iridescent one, but I'm going to use this today. And I'm going to apply this with my Anastasia A23 highlighting brush. This is just like a super subtle but very pretty gold highlighter. Because my eyes are so crazy, I don't want a dramatic highlighter today. So like that pink iridescent one, I think I would save that for a less dramatic eye look. But I'm just going to apply this gold one to my cheekbones. It's really pretty. Very subtle, very shimmery. There's not like thick chunks of glitter or anything. Just a very nice gold highlighter. So I'm applying that to my cheekbones, up here on my forehead, my chin, basically the highest points of my face, every area that the sun would hit if I was out in the sunlight. I'm going to take this along the bridge of my nose and then also on the very tip of my nose as well. The huge. Yeah, so this is a really nice subtle gold highlight. And that primer that I used earlier is definitely making my skin look like luminous. Even though it's under my foundation, I chose to wear I guess a thinner, less coverage foundation so you could really see that glow underneath my skin. Okay, so after highlighter, I'm going to do my lips. I already put on my lip liner and I kind of just used it all over my lips as like a base. This collection comes with 3 lip glosses, so pretty, and 3 liquid lips as well. Because I don't want to be completely metallic, I'm going to stick with my lip liner base that I put on today. By the way, I'm just wearing like a NYX natural lip liner. But I'm going to take one of these really pretty lip glosses and just apply this into the center of my lips. This lip gloss is the shade XO of VLADA. It's a little bit darker, definitely a nice metallic. And I'm just going to place this into the center of my lip on the top and the bottom. I don't want to be super metallic-y because my face is already so glittery. So my lips, I want to keep them a little more neutral, I guess, like less crazy. So I just put on a little bit of that lip gloss and then blended it in with my finger. Ooh, yeah, it looks nice. So it gave me a really nice subtle shimmer because I didn't use a lot. I just blotted that on with my finger. I really like it. Super pretty, not too crazy. And then, okay, so this collection also came with these 2, what are they called? Shimmer drops. And I think I'm going to use these on my chest since I'm wearing a tube top shirt. So there's a gold one. This one is called Gold Glitz. And then there is a rose gold one called Rose Glitz. And I think I'm going to use the rose gold one today since I have some rose gold going on my eyelids. And this has just a cute little like dropper like so. So I'm just gonna drop some of this onto my chest. I think I'm gonna focus it mainly on like my collarbone area. It's so pretty though. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of rub this all over, and then I'll take like a beauty blender and blend it in. Oh, it's dripping. Oh well. The more glitter, the better, right? Oh yeah, that's so pretty. So I'm just taking this beauty blender. This is probably gonna end up like all over, but that's okay. I'm just blending this in with my beauty blender. It's kind of hard to do on camera, but we're doing it. And then I'm gonna put, ooh, it's really pretty. It's just giving me like a nice little glow. Put some on my shoulder as well. Just gonna highlight all those areas that, again, the sun would hit if I was in the sun. So I tried to focus this on my collarbone, but it kind of got all over. And then I put some on this side. I guess I'll add some to this shoulder as well. I never really do much with this side because I have like a tattoo, but we'll just make it glittery. I guess it still makes it shimmery. Yeah, this stuff is so pretty. I think next time I'll use this like on my face, maybe as like a highlighter or something, or maybe underneath that highlighter. I don't know. There's so many ways that you can use this, but today we're trying to use it on our chest. Okay, so that's nice. It's just like a nice luminous chest going on. Complements my look. So fun, so pretty, all these colors. So last but not least, this collection also came with a shimmer spray. This is the Petal Metal Shimmer Spray. This is an all over illuminizing spray, mist on a dewy rose gold. So I think I'm just gonna spray this onto my chest just to check it out. Oh yeah, it is like a rose gold color. You guys see that? I'm kind of hesitant to spray this onto my face because it's not really like a setting spray. It's just like a luminizing spray. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like roses. So again, this can be sprayed probably anywhere. I'm sure it can be sprayed on your face as well, or your legs or shoulders like this, whatever. But it's just like an all over illuminizing spray. Really pretty. So this collection is going to keep you super luminous and glowy and rose goldy. I had so much fun playing with all these colors. They're all so fun and so pretty. If you like rose gold, you need to check out this collection. So this is my completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you check out my description box. There's all kinds of different stuff like coupon codes and my other social media links in there. Also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I'm posting new videos once a week, so you don't want to miss out. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.